Hello guys, welcome to my channel Fabricate Dolls. In my channel, you will see a lot of videos to transform your dolls. It's about their dressing and it's about their makeover and also their hairstyles. I just want to tell you, I love doing this in my leisure time. What do you guys do? Can you just please drop a comment and let me know what type of hobby do you have? And if you like my video or not, you can just tell me in the comment section and drop a suggestion as well. I will love to have that. Enjoy the video. Thank you.